Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope that you're all good. In today's video, I wanted to bring you a quick clean up and tidy motivational video from my living room, dining area, and always my messy kitchen. I hope that you enjoy and like it. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if it's your first time here. I would love to have you, and it also helps to grow my channel. I started off in the living room. As you can see, in this living room, it is also our sitting room, and sometimes it's also the playroom. You can call it a multi-purpose. I simply wanted to dust off the sofa sets, put the cushions in their places, and then declutter the coffee table, and then clean it. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and clean the dining. Some of my kids that are not yet back in school use it to study. That's why you see those books there. We also use it a lot in the month of Ramadan for iftar, suuru. So it always has a lot of food crumbs. I wanted to clean those off and make it ready for iftar.
Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
Right now, I'm clearing the countertop, putting everything in its place. I wanted to wash the dishes, knowing that I got to everything, because it saddens me to finish washing, then notice a certain cup or saucepan somewhere. So I collect them together before I can start washing and making sure that I don't miss anything. I use Astonish Kitchen to clean the countertops and the cooker. It cleans off the grease and oil pretty well. And the final thing I did was sweeping the floor. This whole video took me like 20 minutes. I was just tidying up and not going deep. Sometimes that is all you need. When my kitchen is clean, I feel like, yeah, I can take on the rest from here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that I gave you some motivation. You don't have to take hours cleaning. Time yourself for 20 minutes. Do what you can do in those minutes and leave the rest for another day. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. I really appreciate it. Until next time, inshallah, God bless you. Bye.